consequences of damaging a showroom after vehicle repossession. If a finance company or lending institution repossesses a two-wheeler due to non-payment of MS in accordance with the loan agreement, it is a criminal offense for the borrower to visit the showroom, vandalize property, damage vehicles or equipment, threaten employees, or engage in violent behavior merely because the showroom facilitated the finance arrangement. Legal actions that may be taken against the offender. 1. Damage to public or private property. If a person damages showroom property such as vehicles, glass panels, furniture, computers, or other assets, a criminal case for mischief, property damage may be registered under the applicable provisions of Indian law. Depending on the extent of the damage caused, the offender may face imprisonment, fines, or both. 2. Criminal trespass. If a person enters the showroom with the intention of creating trouble, threatening staff, or causing damage, a separate offense of criminal trespass may be registered. 3. Assault or criminal intimidation. Physically attacking employees, threatening them, or issuing death threats are independent criminal offenses. Such acts can result in criminal prosecution, imprisonment, fines, or both. 4. Compensation for damages. The showroom owner may initiate legal proceedings to recover compensation for the losses suffered. A court may direct the offender to pay the full cost of repairs, replacement of damaged property, and other related losses. Possible punishments. Depending on the nature of the offense, the extent of the damage, whether any person was injured, the offender may face monetary fines, imprisonment ranging from several months to multiple years, or both imprisonment and fines. What should the person have done instead? Review the terms and conditions of the finance agreement. Verify whether the repossession of the vehicle was carried out legally. If the repossession was unlawful, approach the police, consumer forum, or a competent court. Request additional time for repayment or seek loan restructuring options from the finance company. Follow lawful procedures instead of resorting to violence or property damage. Simple public awareness message. Your vehicle may be repossessed for non-payment of MS. Even if you believe the repossession was unfair, taking the law into your own hands and damaging a showroom is a serious criminal offense. Such actions can lead to police cases, fines, imprisonment, and liability to compensate for the damages caused. Legal disputes should always be resolved through lawful remedies, courts, or appropriate legal authorities.